What's up, guys? Miguel here from CFS Recovery. Last time I was on a paddleboard and I made a video like this, I was in just outside Vancouver, Gibsons. This time I'm actually in Mexico and I had my drone in my backpack. I was gonna get some really cool shots for you guys, some inspiration, but phone got wet, so it's not connecting to the controller. But I just wanted to film this quick video to give you guys some more inspiration. I like bringing you guys out to these fun things that I always had on my vision board and in my mind when I was sick. And I always had somewhere in my mind that I could kind of turn to when times got rough, especially because when you're in an adjustment period or a crash, then things can be really rough and it can be hard to stay positive or even just stay neutral. Like, it can be really upsetting to be in that state. Just gotta make sure I don't drift too far here. The wind is pushing me from shore. But Mexico, paddleboarding, this is something I always pictured. Not necessarily the location, but something I wanted to do, something that I was super limited to when I couldn't even sit out of bed. And so, this is just a motivation that anything can happen. If you stick to it, you follow pretty much everything I teach on this channel, there's really no way you can fail, unless, of course, there's other underlying health issues. But if you've gone to multiple doctors and they said that they don't know what's going on, and they say you're normal, your tests are coming back normal, x-rays, scans, and all of that is normal, then really good chance you're going to be able to come out of this thing, as it is just a nervous system issue. That's really all it is. So once you start fixing that, once you start correcting the nervous system and addressing it as a nervous system issue versus trying to chase down all these symptoms and all these different problems, then recovery gets a lot easier. So essentially, to take away something from this video, I would say write down something that you want to do, your vision, a dream activity that you're going to do or that you want to do when you get better, when you have no more fatigue, no more symptoms, no more headaches, no more leg burning sensation, no more dizziness, vertigo, nothing like that. What would you want to do if, I could snap my fingers and you could pretty much do whatever you want to do again? Write that down in full detail. I would write down exactly what I was wearing, what I was feeling, how warm the water was, what color was the sunset, how strong the wind was. I would write down every single sensation when I would write these things, when I would gather all my thoughts about these visions that I had for the future. And if you keep that in your mind and kind of have that as your North Star, your vision that you can pretty much turn to when you have to look inwards, when times get really hard and you feel like giving up, then eventually you're gonna be able to get to that point, even if it feels impossible at the time, even if it feels like there's 0.0001% chance that you can actually do it. So write down your vision for the future in full detail, and it's just a matter of time before it comes true if you follow the right principles. So hope this inspires all you thrivers out there. See you in the next video.